Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Charles Roop.
All right, good afternoon, everyone. Temperatures are starting to warm up, seeing those numbers getting close to 80, especially in our eastern counties, where a bit more sunshine is around 79 at Valdosta, 80 at Perry, even farther south, 80 at Cross City. Farther west, some more cloud coverage. Also that onshore flow, too. I'll show you just a second. Helping to keep those temperatures in the 70s, places like Apalachicola, Alligator Point, 77 right now at Tallahassee, a couple degrees warmer just to the west over at Quincy. And those winds are mostly out of the south and east, ranging from about, say 7 miles an hour at Live Oak to 8 Tallahassee and Valdosta, even sustained at 16 in Thomasville, even 15 along the coast at Apalachicola. So this is bringing in more of the air from the land. The farther east you go as well, maybe a little bit of an Atlantic influence, but the farther west, you see that influence mostly out of the Gulf of Mexico. So look at the bigger picture. One large storm system moving on to the central part of the country. Meanwhile, some showers developing to our southwest in the Gulf of Mexico, even a bit more so with a stalled boundary across parts of South Florida, bringing in some heavy rain over there once again. But for us, we are just seeing the clouds mostly to our west, pushing eastward. Also, we had some showers moving in from Panama City earlier this morning. Kind of fizzled out along the way as it gets just to the north of Mariana. Otherwise, we are rain free for now. Not expecting much away rainfall. Maybe a tiny chance of a stray shower this afternoon, but the rain chances start to pick up as we get to tomorrow. Thanks to some mid-level impulses in the atmosphere. Also, it's daytime heating, plenty of moisture, and any sea breeze boundaries. It's going to crank up the chance for a few showers and some thunderstorms. Not everyone will see rain tomorrow, but just keep in mind the chances will be there. We quiet down once we get to Saturday night to Sunday, and also maybe even the potential for some fog in isolated spots. Models kind of hinting that a little bit with enough moisture sitting around that can't be ruled out. As we get the rest of Sunday, though, shower chances will start to pick back up once again with the mid-level disturbances in place. So keeping rain chances overall across our viewing area at around 40% for Saturday and Sunday. Those influences won't be there as much as we get to Monday, Tuesday, especially by Wednesday. So rain chances will steadily drop to around 20% by that point. Rain forecast for today, though, mostly sunny, a bit breezy on the offshore waters. Winds out of southeast at around 10 to 18 knots. Mainly waters of moderate chop with sea heights around 2 to 5 feet. UV index on the high side, definitely need a sunscreen for today. Also be mindful of rip currents. There's high risk rip currents along the Franklin County coastline and also far west of Panama City. Swimming is not encouraged with that kind of threat. Now, the forecast for today, we'll see rain chances at around 10%. Highs getting in the middle 80s inland. Coastal areas more in the mid to upper 70s. An extended forecast, we're dry today, but tomorrow, around 40% chance of showers and storms. Bring that umbrella just in case. Also, our First Alert weather app, just in case. You can look at the radar right on your phone. But things start to dry out a little bit as we get into next week. We'll be back in a few minutes.